Hey, observations after the experiment. Mine actually worked out pretty well. I think all the tablet has dissolved by now, um, so it's not really doing much, but it was pretty cool. I think it worked well. Um, so, what I think is going on here is obviously the water stays at the bottom, the oil stays at the top because the water is the heaviest density. So when you put the food coloring in, it's supposed to sink just right to the bottom because it has the same density as water. However, my food coloring kind of got trapped at the bottom of the oil, and it wasn't until I put the Alka-Seltzer tablets in that I guess it kind of forced it down into the water, and then it started to work. So that was cool. I feel like in the video, when the guy put the food coloring in, it directly went to the bottom. So just a little variation there, but still was fine. Um, so, so what I think is going on here, when you have the water and the oil, um, you know, the food coloring has the same density, so it goes to the bottom. When you put the Alka-Seltzer tablet in, when you break it apart, it goes in, it creates carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is a gas, obviously, so it's the lightest. It brings some of the food coloring and with the water with it to the top, and then the water and the gas I think separate, and then the water will sink back down because it's heavy, because it has to. Doesn't have the gas there when they're apart to keep it afloat. So then, yeah, and then it'll float back to the bottom, and that's how you get the lava lamp effect. And so this will keep happening until the Alka-Seltzer tablet dissolves. So, and I watched that happen. So, pretty cool.